Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the artifact version you run and making a full backup. This protects your config and player data. Once done, stop the Fivem server to avoid file corruption, then download the correct artifact package for your OS. 32 versus 64 matters. Make an archive of the existing artifacts with a timestamp so you can roll back. Remember why? Backups save hours later. Downloading the exact build prevents compatibility issues with resources and native function changes. You now replace files carefully. Extract the new artifacts into the server directory while keeping file permissions and executable bits intact. Then make targeted config changes, merge server. CFG edits and compare resource manifests to spot breaking API changes. Once merged, start the server as a test instance so you can inspect the console. If you see missing natives or deprecation warnings early, you can halt and revert. This step-by-step ensures you preserve custom resources while adopting You finish by running comprehensive gameplay tests, have staff join, exercise typical scripts, and monitor CPU, memory, and connection stability. If you encounter errors, pinpoint whether a resource uses removed natives and update or patch scripts accordingly. Document each change for future maintenance. Make sure to communicate the maintenance window to players. If things go wrong, restore the archived artifacts and configs immediately and rerun tests. That rollback plan is the safety net that prevents extended downtime.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.